Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to cancel an invoice in Zoho Books, which is really useful when you need to avoid a wrong or duplicate invoice. First, go to the Invoices module under the Sales tab. Find the invoice you want to cancel, click on it to open the invoice details page. On the top right, you'll see the More button. Click it and select Void Invoice or Cancel Invoice depending on your settings. Zoho Books will ask you to confirm the cancellation. You can also add a reason for canceling if you want to keep a note for future reference. Once confirmed, the invoice status will change to voided. This invoice won't affect your accounts receivable or reports anymore, but you can still view it in your invoice history if needed. If the invoice was already partially paid, make sure to handle the payment adjustments before canceling so your accounts stay accurate. And that's it. Your invoice is canceled safely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Zoho Books tips.